2019 Dodge Ram Bighorn Quad Cab, 2019 Dodge Ram Bighorn Midnight Edition, new cars by. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be share information about the latest cars is coming Dodge brand. The title of the article we take is 2019 Dodge Ram Bighorn Quad Cab, 2019 Dodge Ram Bighorn Midnight Edition, new cars by. We will be try discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. 2019 Dodge Ram Bighorn Quad Cab, 2019 Dodge Ram Bighorn Midnight Edition, new cars by. A 2019 Ram 1500 Bighorn appeases to people who appearance to have it all in the truck, which suggests they may travel it to function every single day, bring it to times around town, heap the household within a luxurious cabin intended for getaway moves, and perform tasks envisioned of your tight and competent truck. The versatile design is apparently one who automakers usually are undertaking to maximize in current styles. Ongoing a specific idea that vehicles are a crucial part from the American lifestyle, Ram redesigns it as the 1500 pickup truck to the 2019 design calendar year. Within the redesign, Ram receives delicate only within the proper places without having diminishing its anticipated truck responsibilities. 2019 Dodge Ram Bighorn redesign. Exterior and interior design. The sleek trip excellence of the 2019 Dodge Ram 1500 Bighorn entirely changes all the truck together with causes it to be livable upon commutes and even very long hauls. Increasing your plushness of your innovative Ram 1500 may be the cabin that is undoubtedly beautifully employed with common capabilities from the Bighorn toned and actually gets to a beautiful degree of deluxe when increasing the cut series. When every single cut degree enhances the prices, often, of further functions and services come to be well worth the price of entrance incidentally from the individuality, for example possessing a rotary call for that equipment selector or perhaps a easy to customize Uconnect infotainment method, which remains to become one among my personal favorite within the auto enterprise. What is on top of that from the 2019 Ram 1500 will it be by no means departs by reviewing the primary obligation to be the tough truck in spite of its plushness. The opportunity to pull approximately 11,340 kilos when effectively loaded, or haul 1,770 pounds, stays undamaged, and you will discover a wide variety for trims plus designs that could be experienced with two main fuel engine alternatives. Getting the Bighorn Staff Cab Hemi examination car, a Ram 1500 is almost constrained with lots of the capabilities which are ideal by individuals who desire a multiple goal truck. Although, my check car possessed adequate gear to obtain an understanding on points acquiring better still having a leading cut product that includes the big 12 inches infotainment touchscreen instead of the current 8.4 in display. The particular Tesla-like infotainment monitor will merely add yet another amount of charm for the truck marketplace, including an increased degree of personalization and wanted soon after characteristics prefer Apple CarPlay and additionally Android mobile phone automobile, included as well in my check car inlaid into the newest 8.4 inches Uconnect infotainment method. On the exterior of your brand new 2019 Ram 1500 is really an obviously current appearance which uses dazzling guided front lights and fog lamps, an entire selection of directed tail lighting, an up-to-date and upgraded grille, new tire types that may be covered with beefy all-terrain auto tires with white-colored sidewall lettering, plus a straightforward close-up dampened tailgate which will open up having a lightweight click of any electrical option. A number of the design beauty could require some time for a few in becoming comfortable way too, like the design series emblems around the ends in the hood. Or else, in my opinion, Ram did proper rights towards the design to be able to preserve a considerably menacing seam but one that will very easily fit the actual fungus of modern customers. 2019 Dodge Ram Bighorn engine. Acquiring my on-the-job that 2019 Ram 1500 huge horn built with the brand's light 5.7-liter Hemi V8 vehicle seemed to be satisfying expertise. The 395 HP and even 410 lb-ft involving torque, the fact that receives directed via an 8-pace intelligent transmission may be the appropriate engine to take care of the actual paces of their rivalry. The respected gas miles that we noticed averaging about 18.8 miles per gallon was not all of that poor thinking of traditional numbers for V8-driven vehicles. Original EPA estimations to the V8 Ram 1500 4x4 staff trucks cab is 15 miles per gallon city, 22 miles per gallon road, and 17 miles per gallon put together. 2019 Dodge Ram Bighorn release date and price. The prices for whole measured pickup trucks has risen and actually so a bit in the last couple of years as us citizens clamor in the direction of SUVs, crossovers, together with vehicles likewise. The particular 2019 Ram might have some extra importance within its distinctive interior design and also remarkably easy drive, good quality more than other folks. Therefore, The prices begin during $34,495 to get a Ram 1500 V6 staff pickup trucks cab 4x2 tradesmen. Relocating a measure grader with just a few appreciated choices, like the 4x4 methods, which include a computerized 4x4 higher assortment that does not lock mechanism every differential. The newest Ram 1500 huge horn team trucks cab 4x4 sport reaches a robust as analyzed price from approximately $50,000. Thanks.